How do you fix Roblox app not launching? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if you're not being able to launch the Roblox application. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now the process to actually fix if the Roblox app is not launching is pretty much very simple. The very first thing you want to do is simply try to reboot your computer. So go ahead and then hit the start button over here, and you want to simply go ahead and then click on the power button, and then you want to simply click on this option which says restart. When you click on restart, it is going to refresh all of the applications in the background, close them, and now you could go ahead and simply try to relaunch Roblox. In most of the cases, that would generally fix the issue. If not, what I would recommend you to do is check if you have any type of background apps enabled. So when the background apps are actually enabled in the background, they're going to consume lots of batteries. So just make sure that you go ahead and exit them one after another, and hopefully that would fix the issue. If not, then the other thing I would also recommend you to do is to simply actually clear the cache files. So in order to go ahead and clean some of the disk files and so on, in the search box you want to simply type in clean disk. Once you do that, you can see this app called Disk Cleanup. It is available on every PC, so you don't have to worry about downloading it. Just go to Disk Cleanup, and here you want to simply clean up all of the drives which you have. First of all, we will select the C drive. We'll go ahead and select it, and you can see all these temporary files over here. We will go ahead and delete all these temporary files, and then hit the OK button over here, and then we will select delete files. As you can see, it says cleaning up drive C. So after this is done, go ahead and then repeat the same for drive D or any other drives which you have on your computer. Similarly, last but not least, what I would recommend you to do is just simply uninstall and then reinstall the Roblox app. So go ahead and click the uninstall button over here. Once you uninstall Roblox, I want you to just go ahead and then reinstall them again, and hopefully one of these would definitely solve your problem. If it did help solve the issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.